Today I'm here at the Bright Meadow model right here in Grand Park, Sarasota. I can't wait to introduce to you this floor plan and something unique that the others just don't have. Well, what's up everyone? My name is Matt Light. I'm a realtor here in beautiful Sarasota, Florida, making videos for people just like you looking to relocate here. You know, if this is your first time joining us, would you mind taking a moment to like and subscribe to my channel? Because I make weekly videos on relocating to Sarasota and all things Sarasota real estate. So today I'm at Grand Park and I want to take you through the Bright Meadow floor plan. The great thing about this is part of the Cove series. And what's so unique about the Cove series is they all come with 3-car garages standard. You don't have to pay for that upgrade. So what I want to do is, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan. I want to take you inside to show you some of the features that you can do in this particular floor plan. Well, welcome to the Bright Meadow floor plan. Something that I really like about this is when you walk in, you kind of walk right into everything. It's a true open concept floor plan. Go ahead and take a look at the living room. So in this kitchen, what we have here is level 2 cabinets with an added on upper level. This is a quartz countertop, which is a level 6. And one thing that the Cove series starts is you can start getting in the gourmet kitchen. Now, what a gourmet kitchen means is that you're going to get a range with the hood, and then you're also going to get built-in convection oven and an oven. That's what a gourmet kitchen is. So another option that you can do in the Bright Meadow is right over here. This could be a half bath. Now, standard, this home comes with a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom, but I know how it is with kids. Sometimes you don't want your guests using that. So a great option that you can do is you can convert this into what would be a powder room or a half bath. So let me show you this bedroom. Something that you can change in here is you can change this closet to be a full ensuite bathroom, shorten the closet, and then that bathroom takes up a little bit of space in your kitchen pantry. So something that I like about this particular floor plan is you have one true dining room space. You don't have a bunch of wasted space with another dining room somewhere else. And then off of the dining room, you can opt to add a pool bath, which would obviously make a ton of sense if you're going to be putting in a pool here in Florida. Well, welcome to this master bedroom. You've got to check out the tray ceiling, and you've got 3 windows that let in a ton of light. And then as you go into the master bathroom, you've got 2 walk-in closets and a walk-in shower. So welcome to this den. This is a great spot if you're working from home, working remotely, or you just want another kids' play area right off the living room. So I know what you're all thinking. How much does this home actually cost? Well, go ahead and click the link in the video description below to get the most up-to-date pricing. If you want to view more videos about Grand Park, go ahead and check out this playlist right here. Or if you want to see a sneak peek of other new construction communities in Sarasota, go ahead and watch this video. And finally, if you don't want to miss a thing, just subscribe.